The Bugatti VULCAN and MIRAGE are world-class lighters that have set the world of torch lighters ablaze. This video will guide you through the process of installing and replacing both the Bugatti patented butane pod and burner cylinders included with every Bugatti lighter. Replacing and installing the butane pod in the Bugatti VULCAN is a fast and simple process. Start by unscrewing the end cap, pull out the spent pod, and insert the new Bugatti butane replacement pod. Screw the bottom cap onto the lighter and you're ready to burn. To replace the burner cylinder, you should first remove the butane pod to avoid accidental ignition. Next, unscrew the tension ring located at the base of the burner by turning counterclockwise until disconnected. Gently pull the burner cylinder to remove it. To install the new burner cylinder unit, carefully align the connecting pins using the white arrows printed on the lighter and burner as a guide. With the cylinder in place, reattach and tighten the tension ring by turning counterclockwise. Replacing pods and burner cylinders in the Bugatti MIRAGE lighter is equally convenient and is done in the exact same fashion. To replace the burner cylinder, again, first remove the butane pod to avoid accidental ignition. Pull the burner cylinder outwards from the lighter. Press the top of the unlocking lever and carefully pull the burner cylinder unit upwards to remove it. Aligning the 3 connection pins on the new cylinder, press and hold the unlocking lever and gently push the cylinder in place. The Bugatti VULCAN and MIRAGE easy replacement systems will keep you burning stronger, longer.